All right, our focus question. Emily wants to paint the top of her dollhouse, which is pictured below. What is the area of the top of the dollhouse that needs to be painted? So if we have a triangle here, the area of a triangle is half of the base times the height, or base times height, and then you divide it by 2. And why it's divided by 2 is because if you have a triangle, or if you have a square or a rectangle, if you have a rectangle or even a square, we know the area of that is base times height. If we cut this in half, look at that. We would have half of that base times height. So a triangle is just half of that base times height. So our base and our height is going to be connected by our right angle. So this is our right angle telling us these two, this is going to be our height and this is our base. So here's our base and here's our height. This is not the height. This is the slant height. They put that on there on purpose to try to make you fall for it. That is a slant height. That is not the height. That's the diagonal. So we're going to multiply together our base times height. Well, our base times height is 5 times 2, which I know 5 times 2 equals 10. Now, when we divide that by 2, 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, that equals 5. So our answer is going to be 5 inches squared. And it's inches squared because we're dealing with area. Remember, we're dealing with area. So that area is all the square units on the inside. I know it doesn't look like this part is going to be a square, but when you add it with other parts, you can put them together like pieces. And you can actually take this and move it onto that side, and you will get 5 inches squared as the area.